Let's explore how ArchiWise helps you find the right parcels faster, whether you prefer using manual filters or simply asking the AI Copilot. First, open the filter panel to start narrowing down properties manually. Here you can define your criteria by selecting a price range, lot size, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, year built, and parking spaces. Next, choose the property type that fits your needs. If you want to focus on a specific area, you can also select a city or state to limit the search location. Once all criteria are set, click Apply. ArchiWise instantly updates the map and displays all parcels that match your selected criteria and planning requirements. But manual filters aren't the only way to find sites. Instead of setting each criteria yourself, you can simply describe what you're looking for, and the AI Copilot delivers accurate, relevant parcels to review. For example, you can ask, show lots in Long Beach built before 1990 where I can build a condo. The lot area should be between 2,000 and 9,000 square feet. The AI immediately understands your request and searches across the entire city. It filters parcels not only by lot size and year built, but also by permitted land uses, all automatically. Within seconds, the AI highlights matching sites directly on the map.